In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw and link Grass Airdrop. First things first, head over to airdrop.io/grass/ and you should be able to see this grass right here. Now, here's the airdrop link. So, we also have in here airdrop eligibility checker if you're actually eligible for this one. So, for this one, just click on this Grass Airdrop eligibility checking page. And then from there, you should be able to see this. In order to be eligible, you need to connect a wallet. Click on this connect wallet option right here, and you can just choose which one you want. So, for example, you can connect your Phantom wallet, and then this will check your eligibility. So, just wait for this. Now, once you're done signing up for this one, like for example, if you're done with this, you can head over to the registration page. And assuming that you have already registered, you can head over and then log in. Now, in order to withdraw, you can head over and then just click on the withdraw option that will appear once your airdrop has grown. So that's how you withdraw and link Grass Airdrop. Hope we help.